Artificial intelligence and sensors better together. An automotive presentation by Rendered AI. When machines can see information in the sensor data that humans can't, there is an opportunity for greater autonomy, safety, and understanding. In other words, machines see phenomena from your sensors that are invisible to you. And that's a good thing. Bad things happen when we use artificial intelligence without good data. You are all aware of the Tesla in Taiwan incident. This is on a clear day with a very clear line of sight, but the software on board had never seen an overturned truck, so it didn't know to brake. This is not a failure of software as such or a lack of coding that resulted in this crash. This is a lack of data. The limitation here is that the data that was used to train these algorithms didn't include an overturned truck. What if we could generate all the data we wanted on demand and didn't have to wait for this to happen? This is what the synthetic data revolution is all about. Researchers in machine vision and data scientists are spending 80% of their time or more just managing data. The best practice of today is to have multiple companies and with multiple humans label data and compare results, and sadly, those results still underperform. If you want humans to distinguish between a tree and a person, that is relatively easy. But if you want them to distinguish something about vibration and how that is going to show up in a vehicle's radar signature, that is something humans do not do well. The key takeaway here is that by knowing the sensor characteristics, creating synthetic data and labeling, training, and cold start based on those characteristics and other physics, outcomes are improved and data management time dramatically decreases. The next issue we run into is the cold start problem, and in many respects that is what this conference is all about. Buy a new sensor, have a new cold start data problem. How do you do next generation AI engineering when there is no field data? Hopefully, new sensors have new capabilities. Upgraded sensors have different characteristics, and new systems have new signatures. So new data sets must be built, and simulations are often the only way to do that. And finally, often the data we would be using to machine train is restricted, classified, proprietary, or otherwise inaccessible from a supplier. We see this in government and where PII is important.